pretty simple. I just give it a rinse with some cool water. I don't really like to cleanse in the morning time unless my skin is breaking out or feeling a type of way. But if my skin's pretty normal and I'm not breaking out, I don't tend to feel the need to cleanse it when I just did it before I went to bed. So I actually used the Caudalie hydrating mask last night. I just put that on and leave it on all night, and I wake up and my skin feels so soft. Today I'm going to use the Lolaliner Fat Glow Facial. I love this one in the morning time because it just gives you a really nice glow for the rest of the day. So I'm just going to massage this on. And it smells so good. It smells like Frosties. Who remembers Frosties? I don't know what Frosties were over this side of the world. I know Irish people will know Frosties, and probably English people too. But they were these little cola sweets. Oh my god, so good. And this smells exactly like that. Just see the way it goes on pink, and then once you massage it in and activate it, it goes white. I just love this. It gives your skin such a nice glow. Who doesn't want to be in the weekend with a glow? I know I do. So I'm gonna leave that on for like 10 minutes or so. Maybe 15. 15. Will we get it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it. So far, so good. You like it? Now you have somewhere proper to scratch your little paws, don't you? What do you think, Garfield? What do you think? Do you like it? Oh yeah, thanks. We already have a big one here, but we had to take the carpet off this bit because it was shredded to bits, and Garfield likes to eat string, so we had to keep them safe. So I think they'll be happy with this one too. Hi! There's a lovely little pink nose. There's a lovely little pink nose. So we're back from Home Sense. I didn't really go for anything in particular, I just went because it's Home Sense. And I wanted to go and just walk around and do something normal. So I didn't really buy much. So I got the cat's bed, which Paisley is sitting on right now, quite happy. And what else did I get? I got some new tea towels for the kitchen because we need some nice new fresh ones. I found these, like a set of acrylic paints. There's like 48 paints in it because I wanted to get acrylics. I have watercolor paints that I have been using. I recently started to like draw and sketch and do that again. So I've been really enjoying it, and I wanted to get, hey, Garfield is in to interrupt. Yeah, that's great. You just stand there. So as I was saying, I recently started to draw and paint again. So I wanted to get some acrylics. So I was glad that I saw these because it has like good range of colors. I like that they have like skin tones that you could mix. I'm going to give them a go. It was like $20 for all them, which I thought was pretty good. So that's all I got. I didn't want to just buy for the sake of buying stuff, but it was nice just to be in Home Sense again and walk around it. I missed Home Sense. So I'm just having a nice cup of green tea, and then I'm gonna have a little bit of lunch. I'm not sure what the hell I'm gonna make, but I'll make something. And then I actually needed to take some pictures for my other account. If you don't know, I have 2 accounts on Instagram, and I want to take some photos for my other account, which is called Lola Does What. If you don't know, it's just like a fashion-y lifestyle account, because I always take so many pictures of different stuff and I never really have anywhere to put them. So I wanted to just have an account that I can just post kind of whatever I want to post. So that's what I do with that account, and I love that account because it has a little theme going on. So I'm going to set up a little photo shoot area, so I'll show you how I am going to set up. And then later on this afternoon I have to film an IGTV, and then it's Friday, so we're going to get sushi for dinner and we're just going to chill, watch a film, have a drink maybe. That is our Friday. I actually have to finish off an edit, which I'm going to do right now to have my tea, and then I'll be back. I'm going to show you how I set up this little area into a little photo shoot area. No photo shoot is complete without a little pussycat. So this is the little setup I put. I usually don't put pillows down, but I thought I would put some down today to make it look a little bit more fluffy. And then I have a mirror that I brought in. I have these little dried roses. I bring in different little flowers or props, whatever we have. When I'm finished shooting here, we're gonna go over and get some new flowers because the roses I got last week are dead, or 2 weeks ago. I like to have new flowers around the house. So I'm just gonna take some pictures here. With the cats, obviously. Hello! Went dead on my camera, so I'm just using my phone. Now we're just picking up sushi because it's Friday and I don't want to cook. And Jay cooked the last few days, so it was actually my turn to cook. Yum, 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 yum.